everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my first video, so yeah. Anyway, today we're gonna open a squishy package from Cutie Creative, and it's the $50 lucky bag. I've already opened it, but I haven't seen anything inside yet. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you the first peek. So yeah, she told me that she's gonna send an extra. So yeah, I'm just gonna find the extra. So here's just this little bag here. She gave me this panda bun, the normal face. So here's the panda bun. So yeah, it does have this stain on it, but it's just an extra. So yeah. And in this bag, it also has these two packaging stuff, but they're just clear packaging, and a bun, and this little keychain thing, and a bunch of rubber tags. I think these are for the squishies, so I'm not gonna look at them now. But she told me that one of the rubber tags was an extra, so I think this one is an extra, if you can see that. Yes, just a little yummy bit. Anyway, the first squishy in here is, this Animally Series 2 Water Life Little Duck. So cute. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because it's not resealable, see? So yeah. My next squishy is this mini Fat Series 3 little. And this is Yummy Bear. In a unicorn costume. So there's that one, and there's 10, by the way, there's 10. So next squishy is this Animally Series 2 Water Life little whale. You can't really see its face, but its face just looks like this. Like that. And they all smell really good. So that. Okay, next squishy is this Mini Star Donut, and it's the blue design. So here's the tag. And it comes with a little rubber tag too. I don't really know if you can see that, but like there. Anyway, so here's the squishy. And here is the licensing, if you can see that, by Creamiicandy 2019. That's that. Next squishy is, oh my gosh, okay, so this, I have no idea what it is. It's this Boo and Friends owl. And I think one of these is the rubber tag. Okay, so this is the rubber tag. You can see that. So yeah. Oh! It literally just fell out of the packaging, but here's this packaging. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. So here's the squishy. It smells like grape. So cute. Next squishy is this Cafe DM macaron. Okay, we got this gingerbread Yummy Bear. So here is the Yummy Bear. It smells like gingerbread, but not in a very good way. Like, not in a good way. So here's the squishy. So yeah. Where is the license? So this is Creamiicandy, and it was made in 2019. Sorry, my nose is really runny today. So, I'm sorry about that. But I think there's like 3 more items. Okay, next item is this mini baby tanker. Oh, gee. And like, here's like the, I don't even know what to call it. Like, people call it tags, but it's not really a tag. But yeah, it's squishy. It's a bit defected, but I don't really care. Yeah. Okay, this. Ooh, okay, we got the Squishy Fun rabbit cake. I can't speak today. Yeah. It smells like strawberries. Okay, this is the last item. It's in a box. Oh my gosh. We got this animal donut, soft, squishy, and sweetly scented fresh. Oh, it's just an owl donut. I didn't really have to say that. I didn't really have to say all of that. Yeah. Love the packaging by Creamiicandy. Love the packaging. You can smell it from outside of the box. It smells like a really nice soap, I guess. And it's very airy, if you can hear that. Yeah. Can you hear that? Airy. So yeah, that's all the squishies. Oh, I forgot. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I forgot to show you the rubber tags. Anyway, so the Yummy Bear rubber tag is this like little bear. And then the owl rubber tag is this little owl teapot, I guess. You can see. I'm sorry for the bad lighting, by the way. Pretty bad. Anyway, thanks Creamiicandy for all the awesome squishies. I hope you send to me again. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Bye!